From the sun-drenched orchards of Mexico to the bowl on your table, guacamole undergoes a fascinating transformation. Join us as we explore how simple avocados are turned into the creamy, flavorful dip we all love. Discover the science, journey, and expert techniques behind every vibrant scoop of guacamole. Guacamole has an ancient and delicious history, rooted in Aztec traditions between the 14th and 16th centuries. Back then, the Aztecs mashed avocados with a mortar and pestle, adding tomatoes, green chilies, and salt to create a guacamole, a name combining the nahuatl words for avocado, ahocatl, and sauce, mole. When Spanish conquistadors arrived in 1519, they couldn't resist a guacamole, tweaking it with onions, lime, and cilantro, ingredients they brought from Europe, and giving birth to the guacamole we know today. Fast forward to modern times, guacamole has become a global snack star. During the 2018 Super Bowl, Americans consumed 200 million pounds of it, part of the 2.5 billion pounds of avocados Mexico exports to the US annually. From Aztec royalty to game day gatherings, guacamole has always been a hit. It all begins here, with truckloads of freshly harvested avocados. These aren't just any avocados. Each one is carefully inspected, cleaned, and sorted to ensure only the finest make it into the production line. Advanced machines assist in the selection process, checking for ripeness and quality with remarkable precision. Avocados are sorted by an intelligent system that ensures uniform weight and size for each crate, with labels added for easy identification and traceability throughout production. After sorting, the avocados are carefully halved by skilled workers who efficiently remove the pits to reveal the rich, green flesh inside. This vibrant pulp is then expertly scooped out and sent along a conveyor, ready to be transformed into the creamy, flavorful guacamole we all love. Next, the avocados are expertly blended into a velvety, smooth consistency. This is where the true transformation begins. Classic guacamole flavors come to life as lime juice, garlic, salt, and a hint of spice are carefully added. These ingredients harmonize to create the vibrant, zesty taste that makes guacamole a global favorite. Once the guacamole mixture is perfectly blended, it's ready for packaging. The automated feeding system places the bags or containers in the correct position, ensuring high precision. The guacamole is dispensed into the packaging using an electronic filling nozzle with an accuracy of ±1 to 2 grams. The amount of guacamole is adjusted to fit the size of each container. The machine can fill 60 to 120 containers per minute, and electronic sensor technology helps control the precise amount of guacamole dispensed each time. The standout feature of the factory is its HPP, or High Pressure Processing Technology. Guacamole containers are subjected to immense pressure, effectively eliminating bacteria without the use of heat. This process preserves the fresh, just made taste and vibrant quality of the guacamole. Once sealed, the guacamole containers are labeled and boxed, ready for worldwide shipping. The rising demand for guacamole is driven by a growing interest in healthy, natural foods. And now, we want to hear from you. If you were allowed to add one unique spice to guacamole, what would it be? Leave a comment below and let's explore the creativity of cuisine together. Curious about the process behind your favorite prepackaged sandwich? In this behind-the-scenes tour, we'll explore a high-tech world where over 2 million sandwiches are crafted daily. Watch as robots slice bread with precision, machines spread sauces flawlessly, and advanced tech ensures quality at lightning speed. Let's dive in. The story of the sandwich begins in 1762 with John Montague, the 4th Earl of Sandwich. Known for his love of card games, Montague wanted a meal he could eat without interrupting his game or dirtying his hands. His solution was simple but ingenious, playing meat between 2 slices of bread. This easy-to-hold creation quickly gained popularity in London society and was soon named after the Earl himself. Today, the sandwich is a global culinary favorite. In the United States alone, people consume over 300 million sandwiches daily, an impressive number considering the population is just slightly higher than that. Sandwiches have even inspired unique events, like the British Sandwich Association's record in 2013, where 607 people made sandwiches simultaneously in Manchester, UK. From its humble origins at the gaming table to its worldwide fame, the sandwich continues to be a versatile and beloved meal. It all begins with mixing the dough. In giant industrial mixers, the ingredients come together, forming a smooth and elastic dough. Then, we move to the dough makeup phase, where every piece is checked for weight and molded into the right shape. These doughs are rolled out thin and carefully coiled. Each roll is then placed into trays, prepped for their moment in the spotlight, baking. The trays are loaded into massive industrial ovens that can bake dozens of loaves at once. After baking, the bread takes a ride up the cooling tower, allowing it to stabilize and reach just the right temperature. These large industrial bakeries can produce an impressive 8,500 breads per hour. Incredible, isn't it? And here's the cool part. Advanced slicing machines cut every loaf into even slices with precision. No crumb out of place. Finally, the bread goes into smart, automated packaging systems that wrap each loaf airtight to keep it fresh and ready for your table. From opening the bag and inserting the bread to sealing it, every part of the machine works seamlessly together. Due to the incredible convenience of pre-packaged sandwiches, their daily consumption has skyrocketed to massive levels, necessitating an equally immense supply of essential ingredients. Take deli meat slices as a prime example. These thin, uniform slices are crafted with precision using high-speed slicers, designed to handle bulk production efficiently. Every step of the process is fully automated to meet the massive demand. Even the sauce filling stage operates without requiring human intervention. Sandwiches are convenient and versatile, letting you use any ingredients to match your tastes and diet. From classic to creative, the options are endless, making sandwiches a global favorite. On a large scale, this versatility is supported by advanced manufacturing. Machines use bread, fillings, and condiments to create thousands of sandwiches efficiently on an assembly line. Pre-packaged sandwich production has quickly advanced, with machines now doing repetitive tasks once done by hand. This raises the question of whether automation is helping industries grow or taking away jobs. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments.